If you've got a beard, you're in one of two camps. You're either a beard wax wizard or you're about to become one. Welcome to our not-so-secret society of beard grooming. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of organic beard waxes. Expect to get the lowdown on the top 4 concoctions that promise to tame, train, and transform your face forest into a masterpiece of manliness. We'll talk ingredients, scents, hold strength, and why going organic isn't just for your salads anymore. So, strap in, beard brethren, because your grooming game is about to get a serious upgrade. Why beard wax? Before we dive into our top picks for organic beard waxes, let's talk about why you should even bother with this stuff. Think of beard wax as the Swiss Army knife in your grooming toolkit. It's not just about keeping your whiskers in place, it's a full-blown beard bonanza. First off, these waxes moisturize like nobody's business, keeping your beard softer than a pillow in a 5-star hotel. They also help in styling, but let's face it, a wild beard might look cool in a post-apocalyptic movie, but in real life, not so much. Plus, if you're into the rugged, woodsy scent, or maybe something more subtle, beard waxes have got you covered. And the kicker? Going organic means you're slathering your face in the good stuff. No harsh chemicals. It's like a health retreat for your beard. But gentlemen, before we dive into the world of organic beard waxes, let's get one thing straight. Beard wax is only a piece of the puzzle in the grand scheme of beard care. Sure, it's fantastic for styling and keeping those wild hairs in check, but it's not a solo act. To truly elevate your beard game, you need to complement it with a full beard care routine. This includes using quality beard oils to nourish, conditioners to soften, and regular grooming to keep everything looking sharp. It's about creating a synergy between products that work together to keep your beard not just looking good, but feeling great too. And hey, if you're feeling a bit lost in this beard care maze, don't sweat it. Check out our channel for detailed breakdowns on all aspects of beard care. We've got everything from the A to Z on oils, conditioners, grooming techniques, and more. So, stick around, explore, and let's get that beard looking legendary. Now let's jump into our top organic beard waxes. Remember, if any of these waxes catch your eye, we've got Amazon links for each product in the description below. Number 1. The Bearded Goons Ridiculously Strong Beard Wax. Kicking off our list is the Bearded Goons Ridiculously Strong Beard Wax. This isn't just another wax, it's a statement, formulated for those with pearly, unruly beards. It offers a powerful grip that lasts all day. Its ingredients list reads like a who's who of natural goodness. Beeswax for hold, coconut oil for hydration, shea butter for softness, and tree resin for that extra stickiness. The scent is a sophisticated blend of vanilla and earthy tones, creating an aura that's as rugged as it is defined. Ideal for anyone needing extra control, particularly those with thick or curly beards. Number 2. Man Ardenne Natural Beard Wax. Next, we have Man Ardenne Natural Beard Wax, a masterclass in beard management. This wax excels in delivering a strong yet non-greasy hold with a matte finish, making it perfect for those who prefer a natural, understated look. Its blend of castor oil, virgin jojoba oil, and organic shea butter nourishes and conditions the beard, while beeswax ensures your style stays put. This wax is especially great for beards that have a bit of length to them, as well as for those looking to tone down a reddish tint. Number 3. 7 Potions Woodland Harmony Beard Wax. For the environmentally conscious and the stylish, 7 Potions Woodland Harmony Beard Wax is a revelation. This vegan-friendly wax uses sunflower seed and jojoba plant waxes to offer a guilt-free medium hold. It's designed for all beard types and lengths, providing a nourishing and conditioning experience without the use of harsh chemicals. This wax is especially suitable for those with sensitive skin as its formula is gentle yet effective. Number 4. Billy Jealousy Number 1 Tin Man Beard Wax. Billy Jealousy Number 1 Tin Man Beard Wax is a true game changer for those with medium to long coarse beards. This wax combines conditioning agents like lanolin and glycerin to smooth and soften even the most rebellious bristles. Its medium hold is perfect for day-to-day styling, and the unique fragrance of white musk, ocean breeze, and vanilla adds a touch of elegance. It's an ideal choice for those looking to tame a tough beard while keeping it healthy and hydrated. Number 5. Honest Amish Original Beard Wax. Honest Amish Original Beard Wax is for the traditionalists who value quality and simplicity. This wax is a blend of natural oils and butters, offering a medium hold that's perfect for a wide range of beard types, particularly those of medium to long length. Its all natural, organic composition ensures that your beard receives the best care without any synthetic additives. It's the go-to wax for daily use, providing a neat and groomed look while keeping that beard conditioned. Number 6. Polished Gentleman Organic Beard Wax. Rounding out our list is the Polished Gentleman Organic Beard Wax. This wax is a haven for those with sensitive skin thanks to its organic pH balance formula. It offers a medium hold, suitable for all beard lengths and types, making it a versatile choice. The wax contains almond oil, cedarwood, and tea tree oil, providing both styling and therapeutic benefits. It helps reduce the itchiness and promotes overall beard health, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both style and comfort. Alright beard brothers, that wraps up our tour through the jungle of organic beard waxes. We've ventured deep into the wilderness of grooming and emerged victorious with the best picks for your precious mane. Whether you're sporting a Grizzly Adams or a neat Van Dyke, we've got you covered with these top-notch waxes. Remember, a well-groomed beard isn't just a style statement, it's a lifestyle. Don't forget to dive into the rest of our videos for more no-nonsense, straight-shooting advice on all things beards. We're here to help you navigate the hairy world of beard care with zero fluff and maximum effect. So, go ahead, check out these waxes, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and keep your beard game strong. Until next time, stay sharp, stay groomed, and as always, let your beard be the legend it was meant to be. See you in the next video, gentlemen.